Okay, we are back at Epic Adventure Outfitters. This is the next day, and there's the Mojave HELLCAT that we're building. We're still trying to figure out a name for it. It'll be codename something eventually, but today they're going to be doing shaving off the engine mounts and welding on the new ones, and we may even drop the motor in, but chances are we're not going to have time for that since we're waiting for the welder to show up, so that'll be a tomorrow thing. But today, getting rid of the old engine mounts, putting on the new ones, and yeah, it should be a good time, so let's get to it. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing today?
Good. You're going to be shaving off some engine mounts.
Yeah, we'll be doing some grinding here in a bit, and then get rid of the engine mounts, and then get it all set up for Ben, so when he comes over he can weld in the new mount. And then I'll probably also install remove the spare tire and install the tank that goes at the back for the HELLCAT, and then run some lines hopefully while I'm waiting for Ben, because Ben will be here a little bit later today. So I'll keep moving forward with other things hopefully.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That's the new fuel pump for the higher pressures that the HELLCAT will need compared to what the V6 will need. So we'll swap this one out, swap the one out in it, and put the new one in, and that should give us the amount of fuel we need for the engine so it can perform.
It needs more fuel.
More fuel.
More power, more fuel.
Just, money.
That was the easiest engine mount removal I've ever seen.
Yeah, that one came off good. Now if I could just do that for all the other three, we'd be happy.
Lately it seems I ain't got ambition for much. But when the week is done and payday comes, you can try to slow me down. But I keep going back to the wrong side of town. Good luck picking me up. Save your prayers, I'll let you down. I can't stay away from the wrong side of town. On the overpass is a lady in rags sitting down by the railroad track. She's warning me of the judgment day to come. Still small voice trying to turn me back, but I quickly snuffed it out. You don't belong here on the wrong side of town.
That's all she wrote. Now we're ready for Ben.
Yeah, so I got all the mounts cut off, all prepped, ground down, ready to go. Ben will come in and he'll finish grinding what he needs to grind down for the paint and that, so that he can put on the mounts. Then he'll come in and weld those all up, hopefully later this afternoon. But while I'm waiting for that, I'll probably start on the tank in the rear.
Sweet.
Hopefully by then Ben will be here before I get that far.
Cool. Okay, looks like Mike is going to continue on that auxiliary tank there, and we have Ben who's just arrived to do some welding. Isn't that right, Benjamin?
Hey, yeah, we're just putting in the engine mounts now.
Sweet.
Nothing I haven't done before. Done a lot now.
Yeah. What's this, number 6, number 9, number 12?
It's got to be 6 or 7 now.
Yeah.
But they're all working well. This one should be cool though.
The HELLCAT.
The HELLCAT.
Stay away from the wrong side of town.
How are you making out down here?
I'm making out pretty good. How are you making out?
Oh, good. Looks like the tank's almost in there, huh?
Well, I'm just mocking up the plate for right now so that I can drill a couple more holes, put some inserts in, and then I'll put the tank in and start mocking up the hoses. And then at the end, I'll pull it all back down, mount it all up, get it all exactly how I want it, and then we'll put it in for the last time. I already got the pump in. Got the hanger and the pump in already. That's all ready to go, so I can start mocking up the hoses. But right now I got to get this plate, or this, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, it's a good plate. It's bracket hanger, I guess. The tank hanger. They've given us a new one from the last build that we did. It's changed, so this is a full steel encased hanger now, or skid plate hanger, you could say. The tank actually sits right inside of it and bolts down to it. So a little nicer, a little heavier. Hangs a little lower than I like. It would be nice to have it up a little higher, but it definitely is going to be easier and a lot nicer to install.
Sweet. Alrighty, so Mike is going to finish off that auxiliary tank, and Ben is going to finish off the welding, and we'll catch up with them tomorrow and see how we do. Tomorrow, I think we're going to drop that new motor in as well and open up the crate. So stay tuned for that. Burrito Wire Up Dodge. Bye.